Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emilee and welcome to Advent with Emilee. Today is day 4. So as you can see behind me I have the NYX Advent calendar. So we are going through it every single day and creating a new tutorial / a new look with the product of the day. So today's product is NYX Candy Slick Glowy Lip Colour in the shade Jawbreaker. It is stunning. Let me just say that. This is like a glossy lip colour, so if you would like to see the makeup that I created to go along with this lip colour and how I did it, then make sure you carry on watching, make sure you subscribe because I have 20 more videos. 20 more videos. You do realise that's going to kill me, so like I'm guilting you into subscribing to me. Please do it. Thank you. I appreciate the click. So yeah, if you would like to see how I did this look, carry on watching. And if you would like to see any of my other videos, I usually just create videos with cruelty-free makeup. I do food videos, lifestyle videos, sometimes a bit of fashion if I can be bothered. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and let's just get on with the makeup. So I'm going to start with my PLouise base. I'm going to start with my PLouise base in the shade 1 as always. So as I said in the intro, this is inspired by an account called Milk1422. And I actually had this in my inspiration folder for last year's NYX series and I just never ended up using it. But I love I love pink and red together, so that was a plus. But I thought it looked so beautiful, so I just had to, you know, I had to. I'm using my pig mirror and I've like got it stood in a cup so I don't have to hold it, or I can hold it if I want, and I'm obsessed. So I'm obviously going in with my Conspiracy palette. As you all know, I love this. If you haven't seen, I have a full review swatch tutorial on this palette and it's great. So I'm going to start by taking the shade Spiraling and I'm going to start packing this through my crease. This is like a shimmery brown colour. Because the whole vibe of the look is kind of like glowy and very like angelic kind of looking, so I'm kind of keeping the vibe of the glowy look with the dark brown shadow and I'm just kind of kicking it out a bit. As you can see, it's not like super shimmery, it's almost like a satin, but I absolutely love it and I don't mind shimmers in the crease. I know there's a big thing about putting shimmers in the crease. I don't mind a shimmer in the crease, I actually kind of like it. And then I'm going in with Diet Root Beer and I'm just going to use this to blend out the edges. As I said, this looks kind of, it's smoky and it's messy and it's glowy and it's not too precise. So you don't have to be too precise with this look. I think that's what drew me to it. It's just, it's mess in the best ways. Like, it's just slapdash, glowy, gorgeous makeup. And I loved it. So, and then I'm going to cut my crease using this concealer brush and I'm just going to do a semi-cut crease as always. It's just so that these colours, kind of like the inner colours, have something more to stick to, so it's not just like building up a load of darkness. So I'm just stamping along the first half of my crease. And then just pat it out and fill it in. This doesn't have to be too precise because I don't really want the white to be too sharp. I kind of want to keep that like messy glowy vibe, but I just want something for it to stick to so it's not just like on a dark base, if you get me. So it doesn't have to be too precise or accurate or anything like that. I'm going to take a bit of Trisha and I'm just going to put this right in the middle. It's such a beautiful colour. And then just kind of blur out the edges into each third. Yeah, when I was practicing like doing this eye, I was like, this just looks a mess. But then obviously when you see it as a whole, it looks pretty. It's just, it's one of those that you just kind of slap it on and it looks good. But until you're actually finished, it looks terrible. So yeah, I'm just kind of putting that all throughout the centre third. And then I'm actually going in with this highlighter. This is a Baked Blend highlighter from Barry M. And I'm going to go in with the kind of peachy colour and the white. So I'm going to go in with the peachy colour first. I'm just going to kind of pat that on top of the pink. And then I'm going to go in with the white, which is so pigmented, by the way. And I'm just going to put this on the inner portion. I'm going to go in with a black pencil. Ideally go in with a liquid. I don't have a liquid, so I'm going with a pencil. This is the Berry M Kohl pencil in the shade black. I'm just going to line the outer kind of 2/3 of my lash line. So this is just like a base for the black shadow. If you used a liquid liner, obviously that's much better, or a gel. And then I'm going to go in with the shade My Rides here on an angled brush, and I'm just going to pat this over the top to intensify the black. And then a tiny little brush, just going to blend the black into the outer corner. And then for the red liner, again, you can use a red liner or a Eye Safe liquid lipstick. I'm just going to go in with this random red lipstick. Also, I know I said I'd fix my nails by today's video. I cut them, I painted them, but I had a bit of a nightmare with them opening some jars, and I've chipped them already, so it's a really terrible nail polish. So I'm going to try and repaint them again. So yeah, I'm just going to take some of this on like a little brush, and I'm just going to line the front half of my eye with this as if it's an eyeliner, but obviously it's red. What do you have for your Christmas meal? That is the question of the day. So like the main like centerpiece of your Christmas meal, what is it? Like, I know a lot of people have turkey or beef or whatever. I am actually having, I found my Christmas meal today. I'm having the Asda extra special vegan Wellington thing this year for my Christmas. Obviously the rest of my family are having a turkey, but I don't eat meat, so I'm trying the Asda vegan Wellington. And they also have vegan cocktail sausages, and it's just like Asda's doing great things this year because they had so many different options. Like, I was looking through the Asda Christmas festive booklet, I was like, there's so many options that I can actually eat this year. So I'm so excited. I'd love to know what everyone else has, because I know it's kind of like, in America a lot of people don't have turkey because they have turkey for Thanksgiving. In the UK a lot of people do have turkey, but a lot of people have like beef, or I don't know. I'd love to know, because it's always an argument. Oh, it's always the argument in our house, like, what meat are we having this year? So as you can see, it just looks messy, it looks grungy. That's the whole vibe. It's not supposed to look perfect, it's not supposed to look like amazing. It's just a grungy kind of glowy vibe makeup, like, and when you've got the lashes on and everything else in a minute, it will look so beautiful. So as you can see, I've put on the rest of my face. I have put on some lashes. These are the Peaches and Cream No. 7 lashes. Surprise, surprise, the only ones I use. I'm going to take a bit of Diet Root Beer on the brush that we used for the shade Spiraling. I'm just going to run this along the lower lash line, just as something to kind of like finish the look off, because I don't want something to take away from the top. I want the top to be the main focus, and then the lip colour obviously. I'm then just going to go and line my lips. This is the NYX lip pencil in the shade Hot Red. It's just a red. I bought it the other day because I realised I had no red lip liners. So I've just lined my lips the best that I can, and I'm going to go in with the product of the day. So this is the NYX Candy Slick Glowy Lip Colour in the shade Jawbreaker. I'm very excited. I think this is a glossy, this looks like a glossy red lip. Oh, that feels so nice. I love the applicator on this. It's like really soft, and it's like one of those ones that goes like that, you know? And they're my favourite kind of applicators. I love this colour. That is so bright. Like, can you even see how bright that is? It's like just a classic Christmassy bright red. Makes my teeth look nice. So yeah, that is the product of the day. So pretty. It's kind of drying down, but it still has like the glossy finish. So it doesn't feel like it's going to like smush around everywhere. but it is still like a glossy finish. So yeah, I love that. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe down below, check out day 1, 2 and 3, and yeah, make sure you come back tomorrow for day 5, and make sure you subscribe because we're doing 24 videos this month and it would mean a lot if you stuck around. So yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!